Mark Streck. I've been practicing law for the last 16 years, and I have a heavy concentration on divorce litigation. I represent many from families, and I have to say that what I'm seeing saddens me and disgusts me. I'm seeing parties that are on marijuana, cocaine, they're addicted to prescription drugs. A party was in an accident many years ago, and prescribed pain medication continues to get those medications filled. And instead of taking the medications, he sells them, making thousands of dollars a month extra profit. Fathers routinely get drunk on Shabbos morning Kiddush clubs in shul, or in the afternoon at Shabbos meals. And it's a no-brainer that drug and alcohol abuse leads to emotional and physical abuse of the spouse and of the children. The whole family then comes in harm's way. Children are manipulated. Spouses flee the household, often with or without the children, with or without any means of support. On any given day, both in the Supreme Court and the family courts in Brooklyn, the place is teeming with frum people, including many Hasidim. I always look around and I'm saddened by the airing of our dirty, laundry in a forum such as that, where other ethnic groups are looking around, shaking their heads and saying, "Look at these people. They're supposed to be, answering to a higher authority. They dress differently, they look differently, but yet they seem to have a lot in common with us when it comes to marital and family strife." People are seeking to change custody, restrict parenting time based on drug and substance abuse. Yeshivas are not letting children in, and in some instances are forcing the children out due to parents' alleged behavior. And I say alleged because in a divorce, there are two stories, and then there's a third story, which is most likely the truth. I've heard about married couples doing drugs together or doing it with significant others. Rabbanim are getting involved. They're either going to court themselves or they're submitting affidavits for one or the other parties based upon drug and alcohol abuse. Many times I see from litigants seeking custody of children or extensive visitation, and they wrap themselves with all the trappings of Judaism, davening and learning and giving tzedakah while they'll go off with their friends and purchase bongs to do drugs. And of course, drug and alcohol abuse has led people to stray from the marriage. They engage in adulterous relationships with other frum people, with Gentiles, and then you have unwanted children and abortions. So it's a terrible, terrible thing that's going on in the court system, and we need to address it in any way possible.